Hoist the machine to the right location. Place 4 iron plates under the 4 corners of the machine for support. After the machine is properly positioned, remove the die tool base. Place the level on the surface of the lower work table. By adjusting the bolts at the machine's foot pads, correct the equipment's level position until the level indicates that both the lateral and longitudinal orientations are level. After leveling, reinstall the die tool base. Tighten the screws to secure the die tool base. Open the electrical box and connect the wires. First, connect the power cord. The standard power supply for the equipment is 380 V 3-phase. Connect the 3 live wires to the L1, L2, and L3 terminals of the equipment's electrical box. Connect the neutral wire to the terminal on the left side of L1. Wiring the foot pedal switch, connect the wires to the ports with the same label as indicated on the foot pedal switch wiring. After completing the wiring, close the electrical box door. Turn on the machine's power switch, and then turn on the display screen switch. Wait for the system to start and run normally.